Our good looks in there.
Wow!
Hi, I'm Chef from Africa.
What is it?
Oh my God.
Oh my God! How long does that?
Bakit ka natawa? Sabi ni Kuya, maganda pa rin kami.
Gano'ng katagal yan?
Forever. I don't know what you're talking about.
Magbumata ka. Magbumata ka, Jess.
Go with my tita.
Pero nakakatawa. Bakit ako pa?
Grabe, pinaitim ako ng sobra.
Parang gold bar na naglalakad na from buhok. Wala kang tan lines?
Meron. Gusto mo? Makita. This is my original color.
We went swimming for like, how long were we gone?
Wow,
Grabe,
48
Kuya.
years.
Alam mo, ang puti nyo. Kailangan nyo na
Magpakilala
magpatan.
daw kami sa inyo, sabi ni
Hello, housemate. Hello, new housemate.
Ako ay from Brazil. She is from Africa.
Sa amin namin na.
Ano yan? Gano'ng long-lasting din pa?
Makeup.
Sa amin namin. Check.
No, we went swimming.
Time for Africa.
So it washes
Let's
off?
put makeup on.
It's just a spray on tan.
No.
Tanning bed?
Swimming.
Oh, you guys can't say.
Makeup ate.
But it looks
Alam
like
mo,
makeup.
this is because of you. Kasi sabi mo kanina, puting-puti ako, puti na ako.
Oo.
Yan. Oh, and Jessica,
Tapos
diba?
ikaw.
Oo,
Ikaw, Kevin, ha?
Yun, nagkaibigan
I think
ng
that's
kuya.
What would I give you? I'd give you a tanning bed.
Yeah, I told
Ikaw talaga.
when we went to the activity.
Oo, sabi niya,
I said, yeah.
Ate Steph, you're so white. And also Jessica.
Ah.
Jessica and Steph go to the confession room. This is because of Chichi.
Patay.
I don't know about you.
Di men, alam, mamalus.
I don't know.
I'm going to be the best.
Di mo lang itsura ni Jessica.
Hindi ba kayo?
Hindi ba?
Barbie na
Parang may
Hindi try pa, parang hindi siya.
Halika dito.
Wait, let's put makeup on.
Naglalaro. They look like gold bars. They look like Napa's hair. Alive!
Maganda. Parang iba, hindi lang, parang hindi si Jessica.
Parang ibang tao.
Oo.
Pwede na ba magluto?
Hindi, doon. Sa dalawa. Oy, sabi ni Kuya, wag mo kayo nakakawalan. Black is beautiful.
Anong black dyan? Hindi naman black yan.
Hindi naman black yan! Orange yan!
You look like your hair. You look like your hair.
Black, orange yan, di ba?
You look like your body is connected to your hair. Only one color. What? Your hair is connected to your body.
Parang normal lang kay
Parang normal lang sa'yo, Steph.
Parang normal lang.
Oo.
Wala nang
Bagay!
Oo nga. Nangyari.
Bumagay sa'yo.
What? Ano ba to?
Weird. Parang siyang buhok ni Napray na nabuhay.
Ano?
Oh, kasi parang hindi naman ganun ka ano kay Steph.
Magkano pustiso? Tanungin niyo kung magkano pustiso.
Ba't ano nangyari sa kanya, Ben?
False tip.
Paano daw po, Stiso?
Oh? Me? Yeah, sure.
Paano?
Jessica for Christmas, you said
Pinatungan?
a tanning bed.
Makeup.
And you said you gave me a
Is that,
t-shirt.
is that talking about you? It's your fault. Akin! Ito na.
Gano'n ang mga laman dito. Ano?
Sakit-sakit
Saka
na ng
din.
pa ako eh. Hindi ka na-
Ikaw lang, ikaw lang.
May sapatos ka habang nagre-rehearse?
Oo.
Eh?
Ikaw lang, ikaw lang.
Snooki, can you make your hair into a poof?
They're like the girls from Hot Chick.
Can you do a poof?
They're like the girls from Hot Chick.
Istorya, istorya.
Do the poof.
No, it's only a
spray on
makeup.
top. It lasts pretty long. Pretty sure. No doubt.
Hindi naman yan yung spray.
It's like,
Hindi, makeup lang siguro yun. Baka bukas wala
Yeah,
na
it's
yan.
makeup only.
I don't know.
Paano pag natulog? Di kapit.
Makeup? If it's
Looks like it. It looks like powder.
Kapit yan sa kama. Diga.
Parang iba. You're not Jessica! Go
Yes, Jessica.
out! You're not Jessica! Maybe it's Jessica!
Nasaan si Jessica?
But my legs are still white!
I think it is just
Not
makeup.
pantay. Hindi si
Hindi, hindi
Jessica.
si Jessica.
Ano kaya itsura pag si Bako naging... Ay, sa bagay.
Nakikita mo tong mainit na compress na to?
I
Nakakita ka na ng ganito na binubusan mo ka?
Not even a real
Hindi
thing.
pa. Try mo nga.
Gusto mo makita?
Her face doesn't look good.
Ay, nadali.
I like stretch it out like. Instead, it looks alright.
Yung totoo.
nalagyan. Totoo?
Ano ba yan? Sabi mo, ibubuhos mo. Hindi naman buhos yan eh.
Gusto mo talaga? Non-violence.
Oh.
Sorry ka. Manda ka paglabas natin. Asido.
Oh, sabay tayo. Asido din sa
Samahan
akin.
kita. Para tunaw ka na bago ka pa may mag-talk.
Oh, sige, pabilisan tayo.
Are those tips?
May makeup ka pa.
Wait, what did you wear here, Palmer, when you first came in here? If you don't have shoes,
What?
you said you don't have shoes, diba?
I don't have
Ano
one.
medyo?
You don't have. Wala kang sapatos, diba? What did you wear here?
No, it's...
The bottom. I know, but where are your? How did you get into PVV? No shoes.
Yeah. I came
I
here with no
didn't
shoes.
Roy.
Hindi mo dyan.
Wala. Then drops my lunch. Did you ever use Pablo's mirror? The small one? No, at the stadium. No. I thought you said you were going to use it. I was, but I never got to brought it. Did you bring it? Yeah, I thought you said. Oh, yo, if they haven't gave it back. I don't know where it went. No, I didn't even use it, like, at all.
Not yet. Ni... Nayang... Bunan?
Ako?
But... Una is... Great. Small. Me, you, Layang...
Whoa, that's some pretty loud. It's like someone's driving by.
Miss Jessica, how are you? Who are you? Who are you?
Tingnan mo yung original po.
Sa'yo bumagay kasi sa kanya sobrang puti siya.
You look like Barbies.
Oo. Oh, you look like a Barbie.
Ano ba ito, kuya?
Saan yung Ken ko?
Nasa si Ken, nandito sa labas na tawagin ko. Grabe. Tatanggal naman yan eh, bukas pag naligo kayo.
Permanent.
Permanent, it's a makeup only. Halata kaya, oh. Oh.
Grabe. Grabe.
Wala ka, mas maputi na ako sa inyo ngayon.
Oo, as in sobra.